Many different organs send signals to the brain and influence how much we eat and how our body burns calories. When fat cells expand, they secrete a hormone called leptin that tells the brain to reduce food intake and burn more calories. As we gain weight and build fat cells, this hormone keeps us from accumulating more calories and building more fat. People who are overweight are resistant to these signals, and food intake does not go down when weight goes up, so fat cells just keep building up. The stomach also sends signals to the brain. When we get hungry, the stomach secretes a hormone that tells the brain to increase food intake. This happens when we go for long periods of time without eating, like when we wake up in the morning or skip meals. Once we begin eating food and it reaches the small intestine, more hormones are secreted from cells in the GI tract. These hormones, like GLP-1, signal the brain that you've eaten and are feeling full. The brain then signals you to stop eating. Hormones such as amylin and insulin from the pancreas are secreted at the same time and work to help metabolize nutrients and also decrease food intake and hunger. Food intake is also affected by the central nervous system, which signals us while we are eating, providing us with a good feeling. These signals affect a part of the brain that secretes endorphins, the same part that responds to drugs and other addictive substances. It's no wonder that seeing a favorite food can signal us to eat more. To make it even more complicated, stress and lack of sleep affect these nervous system signals and can also make us crave more and more of our favorite foods. So appetite in eating is complicated and truly is controlled by the brain, but not always by consciously thinking about it. Click the arrow at the right to proceed.